Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Unruly Shana. So you don't know more and big up all of my viewers, all of my subscribers, them. So here one guys, you know somebody do want really do an outdoor cooking adventure for you guys. But the weather not stable all day. The weather it bleaky, rain did that dew and stuff like that. As I can see, a lot of clouds still there in the sky. You understand? So but alright, I somebody want to do one outdoor cooking adventure for you guys, but in a workout. But wanting to look out for some cooking adventure from me. Yes, peeps. So me there. I go and cook some Sunday dinner. When I cook some rice and peas and make a French fry some chicken. So let me show you guys what I do in the kitchen. So anyway guys, the peas done cook already. I add my coconut juice to it already. So I just make the coconut juice go and cook. As you can see, the peas then cook already. So I just make the coconut juice go and cook, and then I season my pot and stuff like that. So I will season the chicken right now. So let's go season it. So yes peeps, this is my chicken that I'm going to French fry. I've already go and clean the chicken, wash it, and now here it is. So I'm just gonna add some salt. Oh, give me a second. So yes peeps, I'm gonna anyways peeps, so as I was saying, this is my chicken that I'm going to French fry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some salt. Whoops! Oh Lord, I want my chicken to salt. Now what's salt though? So anyway guys, it's okay, that amount is okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of black pepper. It need a little bit more. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. That's enough. Then I'm going to add my Maggi seasoning chicken. Yes, we have full jelly. Yeah. And then we're gonna add some 300. Then we're just gonna add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning to this chicken to season it right. Guys, I don't want no tasteless chicken to eat, you know. So that's how much is alright. So I'm just gonna rub that in. Hold on there guys. So I've already gone and prepared my natural seasoning. So I have some scallion, some hot pepper, thyme, onion, and garlic. So guys, this is my natural seasoning to throw on my chicken. Beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead So yes guys, this is the chicken. Well seasoned up. So you know, I'm gonna leave it for a few minutes to make it marinate and suck up all that flavor of the scallion, thyme, garlic, pepper, onion, thyme, you know, all that natural flavor. Yeah, so when you fry it, you know it's finger licking good. So yes guys, I'll show you when I'm doing the frying process. Somebody just want to say, please do remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Don't ever stop comment. And big up on yourself, peeps. I love you guys. So yes, peeps, we get a chicken french fry. What we have leave up. So this are going in a pot. You know, we are making them go on fry nice and flavorful. So in the meantime guys, this is my raw ingredients to put with the rice. So you know, I'm going to go and season the pot now with them here. So I have pepper, scallion, thyme, and onion. That is my natural ingredient. I'm going to add to my rice and peas. So you know, so we're going to add some salt, butter, and a little bit of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So yes guys, the rice pot done season up, so you know, I just have to wait till my natural season them done cook. Then you know, I wash my rice and add my rice to this. Over here, so now you don't know, so we have the french fried chicken them, a fry so golden, brown and pretty and juicy. Now dry up thing we are talking about, you know, them fried juicy and nice. Yeah man, real Jamaican french fried chicken we are talking about. Home style thing. You see it? So yes peeps, this is the finished product of the french fried chicken. That's how it look. And this is the green salad. Guys, all of the carrots when I buy, I don't know what to the carrot them, but then spoil. So I end up using no carrot this evening. But it's still beautiful and nice. So yes my beautiful peeps, this is dinner. So this is my raw veg with a little bit of mayonnaise. And my french fried chicken with a little bit of rice and peas. So guys, you know, me just grab some food to eat, and then you know we are clean up the whole entire place. We have that dirt there for move, and you know we just want to clean up the whole entire place. And then we also want to start do some painting work on the shop here. So we, you know, want to paint it up, make it look nice and stuff like that. So you know we have a lot of work to do. So just grab some food to eat, and then you know, back at it, work time. So yes peeps, this is all my food look now after I had it. Some raw veg, some pepper sauce and some ketchup. So this is the food. So guys, as I said, I'm just gonna eat some of this food and then back to the work. See Sean did their work already, so you know.
You see it. Yeah, I'm there for local project. You see it. Clean it up. That is it, you see it. Clean up yourself.
Where is it?
Clean up yourself and roll it.
Yeah man, every time I don't know. Yeah man.
Subscribe to the thing here. Yeah. Nothing I go on, you see. So we have to go and clean up the place where the place look bright and sharp out, you know?
Yeah man.
Big pile of dirt and I want to move up for yourself. See it.
So guys, as I said, I'm gonna just eat some of the food here. So this food is for me and Sean really. So you know, I just share some food. You know, one little plate for me and him. Peace I made for him, peace for me. So I just go and eat some of my food. You want to eat some now?
Go and eat man. Appetite now up the plate.
So I just eat some of the food here and then me gone to work. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Yeah,
subscribe. What you say? Guys, the view nice, man. That's such a beautiful view. Yeah man, I show them what I want to man.
Yeah, I feel evening, Sunday evening project this over the one.
Yeah man.
So you know we are idle, you see it?
Yeah man, we are You know, so we have to work right through. So you know we are clean up this place here because we have something to do.
Work like every day and people and we're proud of it, you see it?
Yeah man, 7 days a week, we're not taking a rest.
Night and day we do it.
Just like that.
Yeah, we're proud of it because I don't know the thing.
Yeah man.
Enough people that like work and can't work. Some have work and don't want to work. But I have my work, so I try to do it.
Which is right. Yeah man.
Because out here I a normal place, I know a normal place. Because if you call a man to give a man a project, you have to make sure so you have the money to pay them, you see me? But you have to balance out the thing, you see me? You have to do some and some you can pay for it, you see?
Yeah man.
Yeah, it makes sense, you just pay for everything, and you have to pay for it. You're not going to. You see it? So we have to be right thing also.
So yes peeps, I'm gonna go and enjoy a piece of the French fried chicken and some of the raw veg. I look like the rice and peas here. So go and pick up on yourself peeps. And just stay tuned and watch what I go on. See, pick up on yourself. So yes peeps, the station and take time and move it. Dirty from this up. I'll clean up all outside this up. Clean it up nice and pretty. Yeah ma'am.
That is it, people, you see it? You know, normal, you see it?
Catch your view peeps. All that beautiful sea view. Yeah man, so so yes guys, I've reached the end of this video, so I just wanna tell you guys, pick up on yourself. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for the comments. You know, just pick up on yourself and just stay tuned and watch what I go on, because we have many more videos that come out, right? Big up on yourself. I'm out.